Here's a quick demo that shows how I use ParaBlu's solution to synchronize and share files for collaboration. Before I begin using ParaBlu, I need to take care of a few settings. Let's go to My Business Cloud and log in using my credentials. Once logged in, I'm inside the My Files page on ParaCloud. In order to make file synchronization easy and automatic, I have the option of downloading the BlueSync client software. Under the drop-down menu here, I can choose to download the BlueSync client. I also get to choose the version I want. I pick the Windows version. While the client downloads, let's look around and see what ParaCloud Portal has to offer. On the My Files page, I have a few files I'm currently working with. If I want to share a file with my colleague, I right-click on the file to bring up the context menu and choose Share. I can choose to password protect the file if I like. Next, I'm shown the Share link, which I can cut and paste into an email, or better yet, I can use the email icon to send the link directly to my colleague. Let me now go back to My Files and try to upload a file. I use the Upload feature. I can either drag and drop a file, or open a file selection dialog box to pick the file I want. I'm going to choose to drag and drop the file I want to upload. The upload is virtually instantaneous. I'm done. Now, I want to create a separate cloud, which my team can use to share documents. ParaBlu calls this a mini cloud. I go to the drop-down again and choose Clouds. I'm taken to the Clouds page. Here, I see an option to create a mini cloud. I'm going to do that quickly and give it a unique name. Next, I go to the Users menu and give my colleagues access to the mini cloud. Another nifty feature I'd like to show you here is ParaBlu's content search. If I want to locate a file quickly, but I can't remember its name, I can search for a keyword or phrase inside the file. The content search gives me all the files that qualify, with a short summary that has the keyword that I put into the search box. I see that the BlueSync download is now complete, so let me install the client software. Once I install the client, it creates a folder called ParaBlu, where all my cloud files are synced. The BlueSync client saves me the trouble of having to manually upload and download files via the ParaCloud portal. It does that automatically as I copy and remove files from the ParaBlu folder. The ParaBlu folder is a regular folder on my Windows machine, but because the BlueSync client has integrated itself into Windows Explorer, I get to right-click and use the ParaBlu context menu. For instance, I can right-click on a file in ParaBlu folder and view all the versions of the file. This is just a glimpse of all the cool things you can do with ParaBlu. Want to learn more? Visit ParaBluSYS.com and request a demo.